Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play BeamNG Drive on mobile. First, it is important to understand that BeamNG Drive is a complex PC game demanding substantial processing power and graphics capabilities. Unfortunately, there is no official or direct mobile version of the game available for smartphones or tablets. Mobile devices simply do not possess the necessary hardware to run the full, uncompromised experience of BeamNG Drive natively. One of the most viable ways to play BeamNG Drive on your mobile device is through cloud gaming services. These platforms allow you to stream the game from powerful remote servers directly to your phone or tablet. You will need a very stable and fast internet connection, ideally over 5 GHz Wi-Fi, to minimize lag and ensure a smooth experience. A compatible Bluetooth controller is also highly recommended for precise vehicle control. Another option is to use remote desktop applications. These apps let you access and control your personal computer from your mobile device, effectively streaming your PC's display to your phone. Your PC must be turned on, running BeamNG Drive, and connected to the internet. While this method gives you full control, it often introduces noticeable input lag, which can make the driving experience less responsive and enjoyable. To optimize your mobile BeamNG Drive experience, regardless of the method you choose, several tips can help. Always use the strongest and lowest latency Wi-Fi connection available, ideally a 5 GHz network. Connecting a physical Bluetooth controller will vastly improve your control over the vehicles compared to touchscreen inputs. Additionally, close any unnecessary background applications on your mobile device to free up resources, and consider lowering the in-game graphics settings for smoother streaming.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.